You're looking for an internship on Handshake when something catches your eye. The next step is to learn about the employer. Click on the company's name on a job posting or enter the name into a search box. Handshake works a lot like Netflix. It remembers what you favorited and makes a note of your preferences. Be sure to favorite jobs and employers you're interested in to improve your homepage suggestions. Want to know what other students think about working for this company? Read reviews from students across the whole Handshake network who've entered for this company before. Find out what they liked about their experience, what they wished was different, and what advice they'd give to others. You can also see which JHU students have interned or worked at the company before, which gives you an inside source of information and a possible contact. Check out the interview section to learn what other students thought about the hiring process. You can even read some of the questions they were asked. Once you've favorited all the jobs and employers you're interested in, let Handshake do the work for you. Use notification preferences to personalize how Handshake alerts you. Handshake can let you know when an application deadline is coming up, when an employer posts a new job, and when you need to finish a job application that you've started. Use these tools to stay on top of your applications and get to know the places you're applying to.